Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted items on your Android. So let's dive in. Go and search for your files for easy access. Files, then click on files. When you click on files, you can so there's three menu button here. Click on it. Then you see your trash. Click on your trash. Once you click on your trash, you can see these are all your trash. These are all your trash. Do you see it? You can just recover anything you wanted to recover here, but it is within the 30 days, within a month. You are able to recover anything you've deleted for the past 30 days. If it is after 30 days, you will not be able to recover this because your phone is being automatically computerized to how to save your deleted files for only 30 days before it will be permanently deleted. So if you wanted to recover your deleted item that is within the range of 30 days, then I got you here. Just come to your trash, then you click on anything you want to recover. You click on it, you click on it, then you click on here, restore or delete. So if you delete here, it's going to be permanent. So be careful not to delete it. So you're going to click on restore, and selected will be restore files, and automatically my files has been restored back to my phone. So if you guys find this video helpful, do not forget click the like button, share and comment.